For homeowners in Little Rock, keeping a home comfortable throughout the year can be a challenge. With hot, humid summers and chilly winter nights, outdated or inefficient windows can cause significant energy loss, making it harder for your heating and cooling systems to keep up. That often means higher utility bills, uncomfortable indoor temperatures, and added wear on your HVAC system. That's why more Little Rock homeowners are turning to replacement windows as one of the most effective upgrades for boosting energy efficiency. Modern replacement windows are engineered with advanced materials and insulating technologies that keep your home cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and more comfortable year-round. Below are the key ways replacement windows help improve energy efficiency in Little Rock homes. Better insulation for hot summers and cool winters. Little Rock experiences significant temperature swings throughout the year. Older windows, especially single-pane models or those with deteriorating seals, allow outdoor temperatures to easily penetrate your home. Modern replacement windows are built with multiple layers of insulation, such as double or triple pane glass, argon or krypton gas fills that slow heat transfer, low conductivity frame materials like vinyl or fiberglass, advanced spacers that prevent heat movement between panes. These features work together to reduce thermal transfer. In summer, less heat enters your home, helping your air conditioner run more efficiently. In winter, warm air stays inside and cold drafts are minimized. The result? A more consistent indoor temperature, without constantly adjusting your thermostat. Low-E glass helps block heat and UV rays. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are one of the most valuable features of modern replacement windows for Little Rock homeowners. These ultra-thin metallic layers reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to shine through. During Arkansas summers, when temperatures often reach the 90s, low-E glass helps block the sun's heat and harmful UV rays. This means less heat buildup inside the home, reduced air conditioning usage, protection for furniture, flooring, and decor from sun fading in winter. The same low-E coatings reflect indoor heat back into your living space, improving overall warmth without extra energy consumption. Improved sealing prevents drafts and air leaks. Even small gaps around window frames can lead to major energy loss. Older windows often have worn seals, cracked frames, or warped wood that lets outside air slip in. Replacement windows are designed with tight, durable weather-stripping, precision-fitted frames, seamless installation, advanced locking mechanisms that enhance the seal. This eliminates drafts, stops outside air from sneaking in, and prevents conditioned air from escaping. The result is noticeable immediately. Rooms feel more comfortable, especially on extremely hot or cold days. Reduced HVAC workload and lower monthly bills. When your home is better insulated, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. Replacement windows help stabilize indoor temperatures, reduce the number of heating and cooling cycles, prevent overworking HVAC components. This can lead to significantly lower monthly energy bills. Many Little Rock homeowners see a reduction of 15% to 25% in annual energy costs after upgrading their windows. In addition, less wear on your HVAC system means fewer repairs and a longer lifespan for your equipment, saving you even more in the long run. A more comfortable living environment. Energy efficiency isn't just about savings, it's also about comfort. Replacement windows help eliminate common issues found in older Little Rock homes, such as hot spots near windows, cold drafts in winter, uneven room temperatures, excessive indoor humidity. With improved insulation and sealing, every room feels more comfortable, no matter the season. Final thoughts. If you're looking for an upgrade that significantly improves comfort, reduces energy bills, and adds long-term value to your home, replacement windows are one of the smartest investments you can make. For Little Rock homeowners dealing with intense summers, unpredictable winters, and rising energy costs, modern window technology offers dependable year-round efficiency and performance.